so good to be back. This week on Building Charles James Desert Series. It feels like it's 100 out here today. I've been going non-stop. We're working on my ambigram staircase design for the Newmar. It's gonna be hard to trump last week's epic adventure traversing Mount San Grangonio. But the vacation's over. It's time to stoke this fire and get this Airbnb finished and listed. Let's get the relish on this Polish sausage and get to work. Morning trenching. It's never fun. Running the power inside so that I could go ahead and charge my solar. Our footings are done. They're ready on both of them. It is time to complete the staircase. Got pretty much all I need. I need a pencil and a level, and we're gonna be in business. All right, all of our wood is dry, which is super cool. I don't know why Home Depot doesn't dry the wood for a day, at least, under the sun. It's ridiculous. These look done, but they're absolutely not. I gotta drive nails through them. My camera died, so you're just kind of, I'm gonna catch you up real quick. I cut all the pieces to fit, and they are absolutely not attached. So I'm gonna go ahead and run some screws through them, and it'll be done soon. What a day that was. Serious. Today was tough. What I didn't film was half the things I did, or probably like 90% of the things I did I didn't really film because, I don't know, it's kind of irrelevant unless you guys start wanting to know how to do solar electricity, you know, making shower, bath, screens for so that the water doesn't like leave the bathroom, you know, like that right there. And I'm putting glass in there right now, and so that was one of the tough things I did today, as well as ran the plumbing, ran the solar electricity cord, so from my solar panels to my my unit. God, I did so much. I ran propane gas lines. I did all kinds of stuff. But, you know, what I wanted to share with you guys is these decks, because these are really cool. And it really makes a big difference in the design of the camper. Taking you from the dirt into the clean camper is essential, not to bring the tundra with you inside. So These are gonna allow you to kind of click your feet off as you're going in each one of them, as well as it makes it easier to kind of come in and out. The accessibility of the camper is just so much easier, and it's fun to come out here and stand on these decks. Blake tomorrow is gonna come and stain these, so we get a nice sealer coat on them, and they're gonna look really dope. Hard days build you. They allow you to not take this world for granted, while giving you the courage to make your dreams a reality. Coco Chanel, fashion designer, said success is often achieved by those who don't know that failure is inevitable. That's completely wrong. Success is achieved by those who know failure is inevitable. And there's only one way to achieve anything, and that's through hard work, dedication, and self-motivated optimism, all while not being afraid to fail. If you like what you saw, stick around for my next post. Support me writing, filming, directing, acting, and editing all this amazing content for free for your entertainment. So hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, send it to your mother, and I will see you next time. Stay safe out there.